Okay, next part, let's have a look. There's the top and the upper two drawings, and the lower two. Memorial Stephen Tyrone Johns there. So that's now, the base now glued and screwed on, and I just decided to scratch the idea. Well, actually, I still can do one, like one small one, but I decided, because the bottom base was not completely straight edged, and I ended up cutting the shelf into 4 sections. So we have these kind of visually not very exciting lines. So I decided I'm going to mosaic tile the base, the shelf. So I'll just continue from here to here, which I've done in several of the mosaic drawing combos, at least in the Wing series. Now, don't recall offhand about the Sightseeing series. All right, it's coming along here. Even though the tile section is very small, I think I'm going to do it entirely in like in some sort of sky blue. It's going to be a lot of work because I have to put like tape, removable tape on each border all the way around all the frames and so on before I begin adhering tiles, because first I have to make a whole all-filled tiles, which I'll begin soon. Hey, what's going on over there? Take it easy. Actually, that's a very nice color, blue, in the parakeet on the left there. Okay, it's kind of like similar to this color here in the drawing. Okay.